Assalamu alaikum. In this video I am going to show you how will I make a pulley by using SolidWorks. So let's start by pressing Ctrl plus N and select the part, then press OK, or you can double click on the part. After a while a new window will be opened. From here click on front plane and then select sketch. Now draw a center line. Press and hold right click and drag your mouse and see some shortcut keys. From here select a line and draw it as I am. Press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these lines. Now release it and select equal. Repeat the same process for both of these lines. Now again press and hold Ctrl key and select both of these points and make them horizontal. Now add dimensions. Make this line vertical. Now press and hold Ctrl key and select this point and then the origin and make them vertical. The color of all lines in the sketch is black, which means that the sketch is fully defined. Now click on Revolved Boss Base command from Features and press OK. Now change the shade. Click on this face and make sketch. Normal to by pressing Ctrl plus 8. Now select center point arc slot from here. Draw it from origin. Add its dimension. Now draw a center line from origin to the center of arc and make it vertical. Now select extruded cut command from features. Click on this arrow and drag it throughout the pulley. Now press OK. Now click on the arrow below the linear pattern button and select circular pattern. From here select this box and now click on this circle or this circle for axis of revolution. Then click on this box and select the extruded cut. In this box write the quantity of circular pattern, which is 3. Now press OK. Now click on this face and make sketch to make a collet lock. First of all, draw a rectangle and then a point, and now a center line from origin to the center of rectangle. Now make it vertical. Add dimensions. Once again click on extruded cut command and extruded cut it. The pulley is almost ready. To change its color or appearance, click on appearance button here and then select the appearance that you want. Double click on any appearance to apply. If you want to know the mass properties of this pulley, right click on materials and select edit material. From this list select any material and click on apply and then close this window. Now in the Evaluate tab, click on Mass Properties and see the mass here. Thank you very much for sparing time for this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more.